Hi everybody, Ashley here, a functional health coach at Live Well Chiropractic. So I just want to share a couple of slides here that's talking about a program that we have here and a client that we have run through the protocol. And I really wanted to share this because I don't feel like enough people know about what I offer here and what all we can do for clients. So we have Emily. She's a 42-year-old mother of two. She's been juggling a demanding job, family responsibilities, and everyday chaos of life. So for years, she's been pushing through exhaustion, but something just doesn't feel right. She's constantly tired despite everything from energy drinks to extra coffee. Her sleep is restless. Her mood swings are unpredictable. And she's noticed she gained weight, especially around her midsection. Despite eating healthy and exercising, she's no longer feeling the vitality that she once had. On top of everything, her skin has become dull. Her hair is thinning, her menstrual cycle has become erratic. The constant stress has left her feeling emotionally drained, and no matter how much she tries to push through, she is running on empty. Emily's visited several doctors, but each time she's told that it's just part of getting older or you're just stressed. I don't know how many of you have heard that, but that's a lot of what my clients come back to me whenever they are with me. She's frustrated, feeling like no one is truly listening or addressing her root causes of her health issues. The meds or temporary solutions don't work, and she's feeling hopeless. So one day she found us on, I think it was Facebook, and there was a post about me here at the office, and was promoting working with me. And when she came in, we talked about the 6-month health restoration program. Now, this program is focused on resetting body's natural rhythms, balancing hormones, improving nutrition, and reducing stress. After reading about how the program could address, or when she reviewed with me, how the program could address all of her symptoms in a personalized and holistic way, she did feel a little bit of a flicker of hope. So during her consultation, Emily learned that her symptoms were not just in her head. She was dealing with emotional imbalances, nutritional gaps, and stress overload, all interconnected. The program offered a step-by-step approach to reset her body's rhythms without relying on quick fixes or medications. It felt like the right solution at the right time. And over the next 6 months, Emily experienced a remarkable transformation. And we started off with Rhythm Reset. She took some bioidentical hormones and supplements at the right times during the right day for her. And Emily's body began to normalize its hormone production. Her energy skyrocketed, her mood stabilized, and her sleep improved. For the first time in years, she woke up feeling rested and energized. I was so excited for her. So Emily also gained access to our app, which provided help with personalized nutrition program that included meal planning, shopping list, and recipes. No more confusion about what to eat, just simple, healthy foods tailored to her body's unique needs. As a result, her skin began to glow, her hair thickened, and weight she gained around her abdomen slowly started to melt away. We also focused on stress resiliency. We used a HeartMath inner balance device. Emily learned to track and manage her stress. Using biofeedback, she could see how her body responded to stress and used meditation exercises to regain a sense of calm. Over time, her anxiety reduced, and she was able to approach daily challenges with greater resilience. Emily received some Zyto and InBody in office here to track her progress. These tests provided with concrete insights into her health, allowing me to make adjustments to her program as needed. It was empowering to see her improvements reflected in real data. And we did a lot of lifestyle coaching and accountability as well too. Throughout the program, Emily had regular check-ins with me. These sessions helped her stay on track, celebrate small victories, and address any challenges. with the added monthly health topics that I include and bonus resources. Emily felt supported and equipped to maintain her wellness long term. So some of the symptoms that she was facing was chronic fatigue, low energy, hormonal imbalance, irregular periods, and some times where she was getting hot flashes as well. The stubborn weight gain, especially around the midsection. Brain fog, horrible trouble focusing, some sleep issues, trouble falling asleep and waking up tired. She had a lot of increased stress and anxiety. Along with that, she also had a lot of digestive issues and lack of motivation. She just felt completely stuck. So over the next 6 months, we really balanced out her hormones. She started to feel more energized, fewer mood swings, and better sleep. Also sustainable weight loss. I don't know how many of you are able to lose a little bit of weight, but then it gains right back. So she lost a lot of her excess weight without any kind of fad diets or extreme measures, which was so exciting to see too. Mental clarity was another thing that she also experienced. She got to banish all that brain fog and began to regain focus. She also regained stress resiliency. So when she was put upon some stress, she was able to overcome that easily. Personalized nutrition. We really dialed in nutrition that worked really, really well for her and her digestive upsets that she was having. We found that creating a great balance for her and her microbiome, it worked really well. She got a lot of ongoing support from me as well too. Definitely wanted to make sure that she was motivated and regular check-ins and lots of guidance with me as well too. We did those trackable results with the InBody and the Zyto scan so we could really see her progress and see that things were moving in the right direction for her. And I gave her a lot of empowered health decisions. So she learned a lot of tools and strategies to maintain her wellness long term, which is really, really important. So I want to ask you, imagine waking up every day feeling rested, focused, and ready to take on the world. Picture yourself confidently handling stress and balancing your busy life, free from fatigue and anxiety that have weighed you down. So we have the 6-month health program that really completely transformed Emily for the better, not only physically but mentally as well too. And she really rediscovered the sense of herself. So this is not about quick fixes. It's about creating long-term change and giving you the tools to maintain your health and vitality for years to come. So on this next slide, we have some areas where we want to highlight. We also will be attaching a survey as well too. So if you want to go ahead and fill that out, I'd love to take a look at that. I do also offer free 15-minute discovery. So if you want to chat more on a personal level with your current health issues that you're dealing with, I'd be happy to add you onto my schedule as well. Now, your story might not be as extreme as mine was. So about 4 years ago was whenever I was dealing with all of these health challenges, and some things that I had experienced in my journey was chronic fatigue, digestive issues, obvious skin issues. I was dealing with insomnia. I would go like 2 to 3 days with no sleep. And rashes all over my body, tremors, muscle twitches. It was just everything. I sought after regular doctors, and their solution for me was to put me on an anxiety medication. I didn't know any better at that time, so I took it. And unbeknownst to me, my liver was so bogged down because of the toxicity in my body that it was not able to purge. The medication that they gave me actually made things worse. So it wasn't until I sought after a functional health coach and she was able to get me in the right path. I did a very similar protocol to what I do here as well. Functional health is forever changing and always improving, and we're learning new things and adding new things in, and that's kind of the exciting thing now I see on this end is there's new things to be added, new things to be changed, and new programs to be had. But I did utilize CellCore, and that's something that we utilize here in the office as well, and it got me to where I am today. I'm sleeping better, my digestive upset, I don't have any issues with my digestive system. I'm not dealing with anxiety. I have no longer any muscle twitches. I have energy. I am gaining weight again. Well, I'm a normal weight, but I was severely underweight. And it wasn't until I took charge of my health with my functional health coach, and I thank God for her because she led me to where I am today to be able to help those that are struggling in their health issues. Now, your health issues might not be as complex as mine, but just know that I was patient zero, and I don't think there could be anybody better than to help you with your journey because I was where you were at in your health. So in this next slide, you're going to see a couple of things that I'm listing down of what my current clients seem to have been struggling with since I've been here. Of course, there's other areas that people kind of struggle with, so that's why we offer the 15-minute free discovery, so we can see if we can help you. But for clients, we focus on rhythm resetting, so realigning the body's circadian rhythms through targeted modulation of cortisol levels, which is going to help optimize their sleep patterns, enhance energy and production, and also reduce any kind of pain. We do a cellular detox with CellCore. We focus on gut health with our digestive wellness kit. We help with stress resiliency using our Heart Math app. We do offer nutritional health as well too, and those plans are custom for our clients. Not every diet plan is one size fits all. So that's tailored to you. We also do in-body and Zyto scans here in the office where we can kind of track real-time your progress with those scans. We do also offer the lifestyle coaching with me, so you'll have individual coaching sessions with me. We do also offer follow-up testing as well too. So we do a fluids IQ test, and we can test your cortisol levels, your secretory IgA, which is a marker for what your gut is doing, and we also measure insulin as well too. So this simple test can really tell us a lot of things with you, and we can really connect the dots and create a great program that is specialized and individualized for you. Okay, so whether you're dealing with some health complexities like a chronic infection, or maybe even a little bit of acne on the face, could be a hormonal imbalance going on, having issues with sleep, dealing with anxiety, or just really struggling to get through the day and have absolutely no energy, feel free to go ahead and contact me. There's some ways to do that over here on the side. You could email me or call the office, or you could go ahead and follow me on social media as well too. But looking forward to chatting with you and getting you in control of your health again.